Do you have an example of a success story where the Sinus 220 or one of your products made like a, where do you think it made like the biggest impact on a customer's project or research?
Well, I think the best time is yet still to come for the products of WAVELABS, right? Honestly, all the features or all the benefits that LED flashes bring to the table, they will. I think the industry is only getting there to understand the full benefits, right? I mentioned the flexible spectrum. So some R&D labs are already using it, right, to make special measurements, particularly for tandem solar cells, like the new type of solar cells where two solar cells are stacked on top of each other. And this is where the strength of LED flashers lies, right? Not only the accuracy, but also the flexibility. And in the past, of course, the long lifespan of LEDs, right, and the accuracy is a big benefit, but it's not so crazy, right? This is just what you expect: high accuracy and long lifespan, right? It's almost a boring feature, right? Of course, you want to have your product to have a long lifespan and to be accurate, right? But the new features, right? What you can only do with LEDs, will be mass deployed only in the future, I think, and I'm really looking forward to that, right? So the industry is maturing, and that's maybe another big learning, right? Sometimes you have to have long, big stamina to wait for for your product to play its full strength, right?
Yeah.
And for LED flashes, I think it's actually still to come. In the past, quite often, customers chose our products, right, because they want to have an alternative to, let's say, the standard players on the market, right? Quite often they didn't choose us because of LEDs, but because they have an alternative. Obviously, lifespan and accuracy was a decisive point, but as I mentioned, it's almost a boring upside rather than an exciting upside. Yeah.